Hello friends, welcome to Veda's Healthy Living. Today's recipe is instant pearl millet balls. Firstly, take 2 cups of pearl millet into a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and blend it coarsely. Add half teaspoon of salt to the blended mixture. Now start making the dough using warm water. Grease the idli plates with some ghee. Now start preparing balls from the prepared dough. Add some water into the idli cooker. Now place the idli rack into the idli cooker and steam cook for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our pearl millet balls are now ready. You can eat this with any kind of chutney. They are very healthy and tasty too. Pearl millets are easily digestible due to its high fiber content. My daughter likes to eat these with ghee and jaggery.